I love the staff and the students most about Post Middle School. We have just a phenomenal group of educators coming together.
We have 2 middle schools and both have amazing students and staff, but there is a distinct contrast between the two. Haller was remodeled in 2006 and Post was built in 1981. And so the design of 1981 is not serving the needs for the 21st century.
The differences between Post and Haller's structures were so outdated compared to their infrastructure they have. We've really struggled with ventilation in pieces when we're bringing in laser cutters and some of the higher pieces of technology that other middle schools are able to offer their kids.
Safety and security, we have been focusing on that as a district. So at Post, sites do not allow for a secured entryway. It's very hard for students to learn it if they don't feel safe and they don't feel secure.
I went to Post Middle School. I remember it being very cramped. It was very crowded and there were portables.
One of the areas of the school floods, and so it's really challenging just to get to class on time. The track is in disarray. It's not an equitable experience.
Right now, we are running on a cement track. I can't run hurdles on the track. A nice new track would send a really clear message that we're investing in them. We've got some really amazing kids here, and they should feel like they do matter.
Replacing Post is important so that not just half of our middle schoolers here in Arlington are in a learning environment that meets the 21st century needs, but is safe and secure and efficient and promotes learning and promotes health. We want all of our students at middle school to have that.